Hi, friends. This is Tony from Auto Refrigeration. Now I'm going to test one special air dehumidifier for greenhouse and indoor grow room, which capacity is 30 liters per hour. It is integrated with two operation modes, dehumidifying plus air heating, dehumidifying plus air conditioning. Now we turn on the switch to start the machine. We use the international famous brand Panasonic compressor for this dehumidifier. High pressure switch makes sure the system doesn't over-pressurize, prevent the tube rupturing and compressor damage. 4-way valve of Sanhua blend. This is a reheat coil, the hydrophilic aluminum copper tube air exchanger. Liquid receiver storage, excess liquid refrigerant. We got the air filter dry from Amazon, removing the very small particles from the refrigerant. You will see thermal expansion valve here from Danfoss. It can control the accurate gas flow according to the superheat. Next down the stream from the air filters are going to be our evaporator coil, the condensed water flowing out of the condensing drain. Amazon suction line accumulators prevents liquid refrigerant floodback, and then assures control and protection of the compressor. Low pressure switch makes sure that there is enough refrigerant returned back to compressor from the system. There are the Schneider contactors and thermal relays for compressor and fan motor, and this fan can transfer the heat to outside in order to avoid the overheat. You've got a Schneider PTC Pro relay and power switch. Next down are Schneider relays and Siemens PLC controller. There have some terminals. The right one, which connects with 6 wires, is made by high-quality copper. This is Siemens controller panel, which is a very beautiful touchscreen HMI system. We can set the target operation time and change the target air humidity as we need. The running part is the damper, which will control the return air volume entering the dehumidifier, and these are the blower and motor mount inside. And this is the fresh air inlet below the return air inlet. We insist on giving indoor growers and farmers the peace of mind that their crops will thrive in the most strict control environment with the least energy consumption.